Hi, Whitney Morgan here, Hashimoto's coach, licensed acupuncturist, and functional medicine practitioner. If you're living with a thyroid condition like Hashimoto's, there's a good chance you've also seen some red flags in your cholesterol numbers, maybe elevated LDL, low HDL, or high triglycerides. That pattern is more common than most people realize. Thyroid health and lipid metabolism are deeply connected. When your thyroid is underperforming, your ability to clear cholesterol from the blood slows down, and that can lead to a very specific kind of dyslipidemia that's often missed on standard labs. That's why today's video is so important. We're going beyond the basic lipid panel to explore 4 advanced markers that give you a much clearer picture of your cardiovascular risk. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why. Let's get started. Most cholesterol panels are like looking at your fuel gauge and thinking you know everything about your car. Sure, you know how much gas is in the tank, but what about the engine, the brakes, the tires? Adding a few advanced lipid markers gives us a much clearer picture of cardiovascular risk by looking under the hood, not just at surface numbers like total cholesterol, HDL, LDL, and triglycerides. While you can increase the value of a standard panel by calculating ratios like total cholesterol to HDL and triglycerides to HDL, the insight into cardiovascular risk to be gained by adding just a few advanced lipid markers should not be underestimated. Our first marker, ApoA1. This is the main protein on your HDL particles, the good guys. Think of it like the head janitor, keeping your blood vessels clean. It helps shuttle cholesterol out of the arteries and back to the liver for disposal. The more ApoA1 you have, the better your cleanup system is working. And that's a very good thing when it comes to preventing plaque buildup. The optimal range for ApoA1 is 150 to 210 milligrams per deciliter. Our next marker, ApoB, tells us how many LDL particles, the trucks, are circulating through your bloodstream, delivering cholesterol. Here's the problem. The more trucks on the road, the more traffic jams you're likely to get. And in your arteries, that means more risk for plaque formation and cardiovascular events. Even if your LDL cholesterol looks normal, a high ApoB count can mean trouble. The optimal ratio for ApoB is 52 to 80 milligrams per deciliter. Then there's the ApoB to ApoA1 ratio. This compares how many cholesterol delivery trucks you have, the ApoB, to how many janitors are cleaning up after them, the ApoA1. If you've got more mess than maintenance, that's a red flag. This ratio is one of the best predictors of future heart disease, way better than LDL alone. The optimal range for this ratio is 0 to 6. Finally, lipoprotein A, or LP(a). This is like a stealth bomber. It's genetically driven and flies under the radar in a standard cholesterol test. It doesn't just deliver cholesterol, it also promotes clot formation and inflammation. You can't fix it with diet and exercise. So if your levels are high, you'll want to work with someone who can help you manage that risk strategically. If you've ever had quote unquote normal results on a cholesterol panel, but you have complicating factors like Hashimoto's or maybe a family history of heart disease, these advanced markers can be the missing piece. They give you a high definition look at your cardiovascular health so you can make smarter, more personalized decisions before problems arise. It's next level prevention. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're leaving with a better understanding of how advanced lipid testing can offer powerful insights into your cardiovascular health, especially if you're dealing with a thyroid condition. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode. And if you want to go even deeper with thyroid education, gluten-free recipes, and functional medicine tips delivered straight to your inbox, make sure you're subscribed to my newsletter. Just head to morgannutrition.com/newsletter hyphen subscription. I'll drop the link in the video notes below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.